Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to solve this exponential equation. And to do that, we are going to start with a substitution. Let the exponent, that is log to base 2 of x plus 2, be equal to d. And of course, from this statement, we have that 2 to the power d is equal to x plus 2. That is 2 to the power d is equal to x plus 2. Now, what we are going to do is that we will rewrite the original equation. Here we have x plus 2, and of course that is equal to 2 to the power d. And in the exponent, we have log to base 2 of x plus 2, which of course is equal to d. So this is raised to power d. This is equal to 8 times, once more we have x plus 2, which is equal to 2 to the power d. So here we have 2 to the power d, and this is squared. Of course, you know that to open this bracket, what we do is to multiply these two. So this is equal to 8 times 2 to the power 2d. But remember that 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3. So this is equal to 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2d. And then remember that when we have a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, that this is equal to a to the power m plus n. So 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2d is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2d. So ultimately, we have that 2 to the power d squared, because d times d is equal to d squared, is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2d. Now you can see that we have 2 here and we have 2 here, so we can equate the exponents. So what we do is that d squared is going to be equal to 3 plus 2d. And to solve this quadratic equation, we are going to start by rearranging it. So we have d squared minus 2d minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, we can factorize this quadratic equation. But to do that, we need to find the factors of minus 3 that add up to minus 2. And we have 3 and 1. This is negative, so that is going to be minus 3 and plus 1. Because minus 3 times plus 1 is equal to minus 3. And minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So we have d plus 1 multiplied by d minus 3 is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that d plus 1 is equal to 0, or d minus 3 is equal to 0. From here we have that d is equal to minus 1, or d is equal to plus 3. So now we have two values for d. We have that this is equal to minus 1 or 3. So ultimately, we have that either log to base 2 of x plus 2 is equal to minus 1, or log to base 2 of x plus 2 is equal to 3. From this statement, we know that 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to x plus 2. That is, x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power minus 1. Of course, you know that 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 over 2. So we have that x is equal to half minus 2. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, plus 1 minus 3. So this is equal to minus 3 over 2. And from this statement, we have that 2 to the power 3 is equal to x plus 2. That is, x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3. Of course, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So this is equal to 8. We have that x plus 2 is equal to 8, and hence x is equal to 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. So we have that the two values of x that satisfy this exponential equation are minus 3 over 2 or 6. And with that, we come to the end of today's exercise. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.